Welcome to Thermal Detection's product videos. Today I'm demonstrating the range of Quick Connect probes. These have been designed by Thermal Detection for use in all areas of plant and can be especially beneficial on long cable runs. The probes are fitted with a secure connector and a separate extension lead. The connector allows the probe to be easily disconnected from the extension cable for either replacement or periodic calibrations, whilst the extension cable remains in place. In reality, these extension leads can be anywhere from 1 metre to 25 metres long, and the idea is that on a long cable run it can be quite time consuming to remove the full assembly each time, and that is especially true if they're in a hard to reach area. Therefore, leaving the extension cable in place would save so much more time. The connectors can be straight, also known as in line, or with a right angle bend either at the extension lead or the probe end, just as these samples show. And we have two types. The most economical is made from polyamide, and this has a lockable connector. The second unit is chrome plated brass, and this has a push-pull self-latching fit. There are various factors to consider when choosing which type. The probes are all PT100 format in all types and either 2, 3 or 4 wire connection. There are duplex units also available. The sheath diameters are 3 mm and up to 1/4 inch diameter and to any length, because we'll custom build to your specification. Mounting is either in the form of a compression fitting or a welded process fitting for a more permanent fixture. And the temperature range for all of these probes in the process is -50 to +250 degrees C. The extension leads are in PFA multicore as standard, but these can also be supplied screened, and many of our customers like to have conduit covered for mechanical protection. All sensors manufactured by Thermal Detection are chemically etched with a discrete job number for traceability. Please visit our website for more information. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.